everyone, and welcome once again to this channel. Now in today's episode, why do I keep saying episode? In today's video actually, I'm going to walk you through how to increase your mouse pointer size on Windows. Now before I continue, if you haven't done this already, please subscribe to our channel. It really helps. Thank you. Now let's continue. To increase your mouse pointer size, there are two ways to actually do it. The first way is to use the ease of access settings. Second way is simply to use the keyboard shortcut. So let's start with the ease of access settings. Now let's use the ease of access settings. How do you do this? It's quite simple. From here, you press on the window and the I key to take you to the settings, and once you're here, you tap on. Let me show you how I do it. From here, find the setting, just type mouse, and here you go. Change mouse pointer size. Click on it, and here is the mouse pointer. So now you can slide to the right to make it really big, or to the left to reduce it. So right increase, left reduces. That's it. So that is the first method. Now the other method, which is the easiest method, you have to do it using the keyboard shortcut. Just simply press the Windows key and the U key, Windows and the U key, and it brings you here automatically to the display setting. So you can just slide, and this is for sample text, by the way. So for mouse, you click on the second one, which is the mouse option, and then you do this. It's just as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. I know you did, so do not forget to hit the notification bell, ring it so you can get our latest videos. See you in the next video. Bye.